In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can see and check your clan here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. Now, first things first, to actually check your clan, what you need to go ahead and do is just hit stats over on the left-hand sidebar, just like so. And once the stat menu does open up, just scroll through your character information over here. And as you can see, if I continue scrolling down, you're going to see my clan right here, which is the Eminence clan, just like so. There is a bunch of different clans. If it says none, you actually don't have a clan equipped, so just keep that in mind. But if you want to equip the clan, all you have to do is just go to your inventory, search for clan reroll, and go ahead and start rolling your clan, just like so. That's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.